Dear aspirant for insurance exam, this is the 8th video lecture of insurance exam. We have already taken the most probable essay topics for the concerned exam. We have taken how to write an effective précis, and at the same time we have already taken 3 model essays, namely pros and cons of 74% FDIs in insurance sector, role of insurance sector in the economic development of India, and insurance penetration. Okay, if you have not watched these videos, you are highly recommended to do so for a better score in the exam, as your career matters at least during this pandemic when a secure job is the priority. Friend, in today's video, I will share one more important essay topic for your insurance exam. But friend, before we switch to this session, subscribe to this channel and please do comment. If you want me to make videos on some other relevant topic, let me know. Plus, get registered with www.bancassurance.com and get all kinds of free guidance from our experts. We are specialized for descriptive English paper. You get model essays, précis, reading comprehension passages. Above all, you will get descriptive English online mocks with personalized and non-personalized evaluations by our experts. Anyways friend, let us learn how to deal with a very important essay topic, bank assurance in India. This topic can also be written differently as role of banks in the growth of insurance sector in India. Friend, I won't go deep into this topic, neither have I to explain it, as explanation cannot serve the purpose when the countdown of the examination has started. Okay, taking the essay topic into account, it should be elaborated on the following points. The first one is introduction to bank assurance, its historical background. In the second one, role of banks in the growth of insurance. And in the third one, challenges of bank assurance. And finally, obviously, you will have to give the conclusion. Okay, in introduction, you may deal it with as, friend, please either take it down or take a snapshot. Well, you can supply the content under introduction is, banks play a crucial role in bringing any kind of government schemes or other products to the huge masses of the country, as they have a giant network, but the insurance sector in India has succeeded in penetrating only 3.76% of the entire population of the country so far, which is very poor. So the concept of bank assurance came to light, in which banks and insurance companies have decided to agree to sell life and non-life insurance products to banks' customers. Bank staff and tellers in this way become the point of sale and point of contact for the customers. In this partnership, both the financial institutions, banks and insurance companies get benefited. The insurance companies can sell their products using the vast pool of customers database mined by banks, and banks obtain commission on the sold products in return. Thus, bank assurance has proved to be highly promotive in insurance penetration across the country. Okay, friend, this is all about the introduction. Now, you should also mention the background of bank assurance. In other words, when did the concept of bank assurance come? Prior to this concept, what was the condition of the insurance sector? Whether this concept has proved helpful in insurance penetration in India, etc., etc. You should also mention the insurance penetration till the financial year 2000-2001 was only 1%, but the penetration has marked a notable growth since this industry was opened up for the private players in the year 2000, when the Indian government issued notification under the Banking Regulation Act 1949, which allowed Indian banks to act as insurance distributors. It became functional after the emergence of corporate agency regulations passed by Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority IRDA in October 2002. All scheduled commercial banks were permitted to undertake insurance business as agents of insurance companies on free basis without any risk of participation. According to the IRDA report, the life insurance penetration reached a record level of 4.6% in 2009. However, it underwent a downward trend after that, and at present it is growing steadily. The private players have also grown remarkably through this concept. This surge would have never taken place if banks had not been permitted to undertake insurance business agents of insurance companies. Friend, after this, you should put some examples of such banks that are selling insurance products and thus increasing insurance penetration across the country, India. You should mention how banks are paving the path of insurers to reach out to the potential customers. Then finally conclude it by writing your own point of view how bank assurance has a positive scope in India. Okay? Thus friend, this is all about the essay on the role of banks in the growth of insurance sector in India. Hope you have got it and will be able to write on it quite effectively. Visit www.bankviz.com for other model essays. Take care of yourself. Thank you.